Hello again, my royal scientists. Princess Lernia here, ready to explore new ways of communicating over distances. Before we start today's lesson, I have an exciting update about my new friend Alex. Remember how shy Alex was when they first arrived at our castle? Well, guess what? Alex and I have been spending a lot of time together, and we've discovered we both love inventing things. Yesterday, we decided to combine our love for music and science. We made a light-up dance floor using different colored lights that respond to music. It was so much fun! What I learned is that when we give others a chance and find common interests, wonderful friendships can grow. Alex isn't shy anymore. Now they're always excited to share new ideas. We've learned so much this week about how we can use light to communicate. But did you know that sound can also help us communicate over long distances? In this video, we'll learn how sound can be used to send messages over a distance, build our own sound communication device, and test our sound device. Let's first talk about how sound can help us communicate. Sound travels through the air in waves, and those waves can reach our ears, letting us hear all kinds of things, like music, laughter, and even people talking to us from far away. Now, let's think of some times when we use sound to communicate. 1. What about when you're trying to talk to someone in another room? You use your voice to send sound waves. 2. Have you ever heard a fire truck or ambulance driving by? The sirens use sound to warn us to move out of the way. And 3. When your parents call you for dinner, they're using their voice to communicate a message over distance. Great! Now, we're going to build a simple device that lets us communicate using sound. It's called a paper cup telephone. Here's what you'll need: 2 paper cups, a long piece of string about 3 to 4 feet long, a pencil or sharp object, ask an adult for help with this one, and some tape. Here's how to make your paper cup telephone. First, use the pencil to poke a small hole in the bottom of both paper cups. Be sure to ask an adult to help you with this part. Next, take one end of the string and thread it through the hole in the first cup. Tie a knot in the string so it doesn't slip back out. Do the same with the other end of the string and the second cup. Now, pull the string tight and stand far away from your partner. One of you will hold one cup to your ear, and the other will speak into the other cup. When you talk, sound waves will travel down the string, allowing your partner to hear what you're saying. Let's pause the video while you build your paper cup telephone and test it out with a friend or family member. Did it work? Amazing! You've just built your very own communication device using sound. The sound of your voice travels through the string in waves, letting the other person hear you. Isn't that cool? Now that we know how to communicate with sound, let's think about some ways people use sound in everyday life. 1. Drums. Long ago, people used drums to send messages over long distances. By beating the drums in a pattern, they could warn others or share important news. 2. Sirens. We hear sirens on fire trucks and ambulances. The loud sound lets everyone know there's an emergency. And 3. Bells. In schools, we use bells to signal when it's time for class to start or when recess is over. Can you think of any other ways sound helps us communicate? Great answers! Now, let's earn your Argo Star with a quick sound dance. Make sounds with your hands and feet while dancing for 10 seconds. You've earned your Argo Star! Before we end today's lesson, I want to take a moment to say how proud I am of each and every one of you. But now, it's time for me to say goodbye. For now. You won't see me for a little while, but don't worry. You're going to meet my friend from the ArgoPrep universe who will teach you in week 6. I know you'll have just as much fun learning with them as we did together. Until we meet again, this is Princess Lernia, signing off with a royal wave and a bright smile.